Hi friends, welcome to Durgasoft. Sir, in this video, I want to explain how to compare two integer numbers by using shell script. I want to write a shell script, shell programming script. How you can compare two numbers, two integer numbers. Based on the comparison, I have to provide whether these numbers are equal or not. First number is greater than second number. First number is smaller than second number. I have to print messages, right? Just have a look once. This is my requirement. Write a script to compare the given two integer numbers. It has to print the following messages based on the comparison. The given two numbers are equal if both are equal, or first number greater than second number, first number is less than second number, right? So from this script, what you will learn is how to read the integer values from the keyboard dynamically. How you can read integer values. Next, how you can perform comparison, how to print some statement by using shell script. Like all these things you should aware, sir. Let me open my terminal. Okay, let me open my script. Okay, gedit test.sh. Of course, here something is there. Let me remove all. So the first line is shabang. Okay, what it means is this script are interpreted by bash shell. Remember this one, sir. That's all. Now my requirement: enter first number, enter second number. I have to read two numbers from the keyboard dynamically. For that, in shell scripting, we have to use read. Read is the command, sir. Read is the keyboard we have to use. Hyphen P means prompt some message. Which message I have to prompt, sir? Enter first number. Enter first number like I'm taking, sir. So can you please save this number with a? Okay, can you please save this number inside a variable? Sir, observe very carefully. Enter first number. End user is going to enter number. That number, can you please save inside a? Okay, this is same thing, sir. You can take for second number also. Enter second number. Enter second number. Can you please save into b, sir? Okay, now two numbers we read. First number saved inside a variable, second number saved inside b variable, right? Okay, now my requirement is I have to compare these two numbers. Okay, if sir, here observe very carefully. If condition, if condition, like I have to write, are which condition I have to take? Whether both a and b are equal or not, I have to check, sir. A, sir, hyphen eq b, sir. Okay, this is comparison operator. Sir, both are equal or not? Hyphen eq we have to use, sir. Then if both are equal, echo here, just echo, sir, both numbers are equal. Both numbers are equal, like I'm taking, sir. Okay, next, if both are not equal, elif, elif, sir, again which condition you have to take? Sir, both are not equal. So not equal means first number may be greater than second number, first number may be less than second number. That's why a hyphen gt b, sir. Okay, a hyphen gtb means if a first number here, just compulsory you require to use, you have to compare the values, right? Dollar symbol must be required. Please take very special care. We have to compare the values. The value of a and the value of b both are equal or not. If you want to access the value present inside a variable, dollar must be required. Here also, sir, dollar a is greater than dollar b or not. Take very special care, sir. Sir, then if a greater than b, echo just you have to type first number is greater than second number. First number is greater than second number, right? Okay, else here observe very carefully, sir. If both are equal, okay. If both are not equal, if first number is greater than second number, then okay, we took first number is greater than. Else means do you know, else means first number is not greater than second number, means first number first number is smaller than second number. First number is smaller than second number, like this, right? Okay, that's all, sir. Now end of if, sir, what we have to take fi keyword can be used to spell out it is end of the if statement. Sir, observe, the people who are coming from Java background, Python background, C background, just aware what is the syntax for if else, how to read the data from the keyboard dynamically. Next, and after that, how we can perform comparison operations, right? That's all. If both are equal, yes, both numbers are equal. Next, if first one is greater than second number, first number is greater than second number. Else, sir, first number is smaller than second number, like we are taking. Yeah, how beautiful these codes are. Just have a look once. Let me close this one, and I have to execute script test dot sh. So enter first number 10 I'm taking, sir. Enter second number 10 I'm taking. Now both numbers are equal. Perfectly it's working, sir. Now here just observe. Let me run again. Enter first number 10. Enter second number 20 I'm taking. Then what the answer? First number is smaller than second number. Yes. Let me take enter first number 20. Enter second number 10. Now observe, first number is greater than second number, like. So from this script, you people should aware how you can read the dynamic data, how you can perform comparison, how you can use if else syntax, like this type of awareness you people should aware. The people who are coming from other languages like Python, Java, C language, just aware in Linux shell programming how these syntaxes will be. Any doubt? Clear, right? Thank you, sir.